Okay, let's start. Just turn off the sound on my cell phone. So there was a questions about let me make the sound a little lower. There was a question about 3D cursor, about object origins, and I believe there was questions about animations. Okay, 3D cursor is this red-white cross, and it's a place where you can add your objects or do some manipulations. So here you can place it by left mouse click, of course, I believe you know this already, or you can define its exact place by here, 3D cursor, on the right panel, which oh wait, let me start screencast. So by pressing N you can open this panel. So find the 3D cursor and you can set locations. When you are working on a ship, you want some symmetry, so you place the cursor on 0x location, and anytime you add some object, it will be located at exact center. If you miss it, you can always go to transform location and set x 0, like for example like 0.8. yeah, you can just click here 0 and voila. So what is the origin point? If you edit some objects, I don't know, anyway, the origin is this little yellow dot, and it's a point that will be used by mirror mode. So if I place mirror, you can see this mess. It's not all right. So what can you do? You can always set 3D cursor anywhere in your scene and go to the left panel by pressing T and set origin. Here you can see geometry to origin, origin to geometry, origin to 3D cursor. I often use this one. Oh, sorry. So for example, if I press set origin here, origin to 3D cursor, and you can see this mirror modifier works this way. Delete this. So whenever I start the ship, so and to be able to use mirror modifier, I press Shift C, and this will place cursor right on the center. So you can see it's 3D cursor location 0, 0, 0. Okay. So and let me switch to second layer. So I add let it be plane, cube, no matter, plane. I go to edit mode, rotate it by x-axis 90 degrees, and I want to be able to use mirror modifier. So I just two ways. I can add the mirror modifier like so, add clipping, and move these vertices to the center. They will be clipping at the center. Or let's Ctrl Z, rotate 90 degrees by x-axis. I can add the ring, left click, not moving the mouse, just press right click to discard moving location. Right click, it's add the ring at the center. Then I just delete these two vertices and I have a half of my plane. So I add the mirror and we can see it's totally mirrored. When I did that hole, I even deleted these vertices and I have location located these like extrude, like so, and okay, let's do a clip in here, like so, and then I went to side view, extrude by y-axis, move it like here, and so on. Yeah. Oops. Here we should be a little more careful. And then it's only the work by manual work. So you just place all vertices manually to make a shape. It's actually it's a hard work. So you just place any to see if all lines are smooth enough and looks nice, like so. Also about animations, well, it's very simple. So let's say okay, Shift C, center, I add any object, cube, at yeah, frame 1. You don't see it, sorry. Let me make it like so. I believe it's visible now. I guess it must be visible already. So place first frame, I insert keyframe. I'm using location and rotation. I don't use a scale for now for my videos. Location, rotation, then shift right to the left, or you can place any frame. Okay, so let it be the last, and do some movement, location, rotation. You can see it changes here. So now if I press Alt A, animation is working. But as you can see, it goes slowly first, then fast, then slow again. It is because the default setting in Blender it's F curve. So let me show it a little more closely. So we go to graph editor and we can see that's location rotation. We can see that our, let's remove this, Y location is curved like so. Press A to select everything, press V to set handle type, and we can set vector. Now it's going to be straight like so, so with a constant speed. Or you can actually grab one handle, press G and manipulate it like so. So it will be starting fast and then slowing down. It's a very simple example. See, it stops I used this on my last video with Lusitania. Okay, if I see any more questions, I will answer them. For now, I don't see any. Again, about let's move this and move this like so. About object origin, I often use this method when I need to, I don't know, align object with each other. So I just select one object, Shift S, snap cursor to selected thing, and then select different object, Shift S, selection to cursor, and it snaps, and it always snaps with object origin. If somehow I have messed with origin, I just press go here, set origin to geometry, for example, origin to, let's select this cube, origin to 3D cursor. Now it's here, and every manipulation like is going to be at object origin. Let me, yeah, center rotating is median point. What was, yeah, bounding box. It's about origin. You can set 3D cursor and place it, say, here, and do manipulations. Yeah, here you can see this origin. And if I make a mirror, it's going to be like so. Yeah. Comma, bounding box. Okay. Now the nomadic. What should I do next? Last time I did decks. Not all decks, I believe. Let's hide this one. Yeah, there is still one deck below. I can do this also. Or maybe not now. So unhide this one. I want to make these buffers at the bow, at the stern. Local view. How can we do it? First of all, let's see the images. So outside. Come on, load. I don't see any buffers here. Not here also. I only see these two buffers on the sides. Also no buffers here. Interesting. And they call it appliance. Okay. Only buffers, like so, like here. But I can see this. Okay, it's a very long buffer. It's like on the deck. Oh, but there is one. Oh, okay, it's maybe some clothes, I don't know, like so. Maybe it was on plans, but there are no buffers here. Okay, so only this one. Whoa, I missed the spot. I don't need you. Sorry. So let's go to this plan, maybe. Nothing here. Okay. So then let's do not buffers, but something else. I was looking about the propellers and I've seen some interesting part here. So we have a one step and second step. And it might be... Oh, wait a second. It is rotated. Rotated. Nah. Okay. Ah, I get it. Let's remove solidify. Okay. And join with this object. Offset parent, join, and then separate again. So now I have a local rotation like this shaft. Let's use auto smooth on this auto smooth. I'm using local coordinates, so even if I rotate the object like so, I always have these coordinates axis. If I select global, it will soon will be masked. Okay, let's local. It's a bit rotated, so now we use like so, and then I just duplicate it, move about here, and scale like so. So we made this little step. Oh no! Okay, let's join it back. join. Oh, I can join it with this. Yeah. You know what? Let's... oh no. Let's use it for now. Solidify, let it be there for now. So, what we do next? Save. Don't be rushed. Let's make. I don't know. Let's make windows and portholes. So, okay, let's find like here. Cylinder. I think 24 will be plenty. They could be smaller, maybe, or maybe just rotated by I will make it later. Shift D, no matter. Doesn't matter, actually. Oops. Mm-hmm. Let's make one group for now. So Ctrl G. Porthole makers. Okay, now the hard part. Oh, I believe it could be here. So cursor to selected, selection to cursor. Yeah, pretty much. So now we just rotate it like so, and like so. So it should leave the circle, not the oval or ellipse. It should be a circle. Save, go next. Okay, let's place it here. Oh, no. Cursor to selected. Selection to cursor. Oh, not this again. Cursor to selected. Selection to cursor. Place it a little here. Let's hide this one. Okay, rotate this way, then rotate maybe this way. Okay, hide. I'm gonna leave this. Okay, this should be flat already, so hide. I'm gonna leave this one. Oops. These are pretty flat also, hide. And this one will be rotated. So about this one, let's see. Okay, I believe cursor may be here. Selection to cursor, just a little bit up, like so. Then rotate about this way, and then about like so, this way. This one. rotate like this and like this. Okay, hide. Cursor selection, cursor to selected. Selection to cursor. Then move it down a little bit to match the image. Now rotate this way and this way and hide. Save. This one. I'm doing it via cursors, so I could rotate somewhere there, not like this one, so I could contain the position of the porthole. Yeah. So now we select, I believe we can select these two vertices, selection to cursor, cursor to selection, selection to cursor, and then just move up a little bit. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's rotate a little bit here and a little bit this way. Now this part. Okay. Oh, I think I know what I can do. Yes, I can do this way. Cursor to selected and then remove edge loops. Now selection to cursor, just about right. So rotate here and then from below rotate here. Yep. Hide. Next. This one. Yeah, okay. So let's place cursor here, selection to cursor, down a bit, then let's start with this one actually, because I don't see the other ones. Cursor, selection to cursor. Okay, something like this. Rotate about here. Oh, and then about here. Hide. Oh, okay, maybe later I'm gonna need the position of anchor. Again. Oh, I could always do this. I just forgot about it. So I could see the lines. Well, it doesn't matter actually. Okay, let's unhide everything. Okay, Shift G, group, select all group and join to one object, join. Also we can do it, apply, rotation and scale. Now select this one, modifiers, boolean, and go up, up. So it will be first. Then difference, select object, cylinder. We can immediately see the result on the other side. It's not bad actually, not bad. Very much not bad. Okay, so apply, and we can move this object here. So we see some holes. Okay, need to work a little bit more. So we don't need those sticking shapes, so we just delete faces. They will select it. Okay, by the way, if you want those vertices to be selected after boolean modifier, you had to, let me show you, before you apply it, you have to go to your object which you will be using as a cut and select those vertices. So after that, when you apply it to the object, it will be selected. And now we have some problem, yeah, and we can see it. You can see it clearly that we have problems. Okay, let's go and fix it. There are not so many, so it could be easy. There is a very nice plugin named Face Info Select. So I just select all n-gons, yeah, they will select it. I should made previously these lines. Okay, let's not select it already. Let's make it here, and cut here. Yeah, that's better. Can always do the same here. and then cut. It's better avoid long polygons, triangles. Always try to avoid them. Okay, let's do this. It is much better. And yeah, I can match them with the plan. I'm gonna need them later. Okay, so select all n-gons and Ctrl T, triangulate, like so. Okay. Then we're gonna use select, mark sharp. Yeah, it actually works. Mark sharp, mark sharp. You don't want to know how much time I spent to make it, to do this for Lusitania. It's a million holes there. If you know a better solution, I'd like to know. I so want to know it. But here it's not so many, so we just do this manually. I could actually do this when I had those Perkin polygons after applying Boolean modifier. Doesn't matter. Okay, then okay, by the way, I selected these rings by holding Alt key. Mark sharp. Ring. It's not perfect, as we can see here, but it's not that bad already. Actually, I should use fewer polygons. We don't need this much. Anyway, there is another problem. Boolean sometimes creates many unnecessary vertices, like this one. So we're gonna clean it again. Merge. So whenever there is edge, it's being cut and creating unnecessary polygons, like so. No, not here. Merge to the last. Yeah, I can see you. Save. Don't forget to save. Even if you did nothing, always save. Okay, so now let's try to fix some problems. This one looks not bad, actually, not bad. These are pretty flat. I can always add ring here, and try this. Rotate edge. What is the button for this command? And it doesn't help actually. Now it made even worse. Okay, here I can see it. And this is why I am all against these long polygons. They are creating problems. Also, the problem is that these portholes are pretty flat, and it messes with the smooth shape of the hull. Okay, what is this the most problematic? Here I can do nothing actually. All I can do is just take those vertices and scale them a little to make this star. Ah. Don't need to. Oh, maybe I can. Let's try it. No, it's actually not bad. This one is very bad. And maybe this one. Okay, so we create loop here and loop here. So let's no, it's actually a little better, but nah, still problematic. And what can I do? I can do nothing actually. I can try to move this vertex here. Okay, the bottom is not the problem for now. What if I use... Nah, I don't like it. It's kind of better, I don't know. I don't like it actually. But it's my big problem, I don't know how to make it better. Yeah, I know how to make it a little better. It's by making the small polygons around them. Okay, I will stay here. Okay, save. Not bad actually, not bad. Now, we're gonna need to make holes here. So it's gonna be windows, doors, doors here, windows here, and let's check with the photographs. Okay, so those windows are all distorted. They have vertical lines, but these lines are parallel to the deck. They are not parallel to the ground. Yeah, it's the same size that I use. So, okay, let's actually wireframe draw all edges. Okay. Actually, no. It's not always fit. How this window is made? This window. They are not aligned with the ribs. Really? They don't. And one big hole here. Okay, 2 plus 3. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really? Okay, I have to check this also. Okay, let's check portholes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 1. Okay, 1, 3, 1. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is 8? Come on. One is absent, and yeah, there is no porthole. So this one is okay. To 0. Remove doubles, and let's try to fix this. Oh, and actually I can remove this edge loops. We don't need them. Okay, moving backward. I need another image. Okay, counting potholes from here. 1, 2, 4 plus 4. Okay, 1, 2, 4, and this one. Oh, you know what? Remove vertices and then just do this. Okay, no problem. Thanks for your help anyway. Pom 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 pom. Okay, so there's less problems. But again, I have to count windows now. Okay, 2 plus 6. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Before I start, maybe I should start from the doors. Okay. So we just move here like so, then move here. This one matches. Okay, maybe do this. So they are somewhat inside. I don't know how deep inside, but it looks like none less than 1 meter, maybe deeper. Anyway, what we can do now, I can see the deck here, so I just need a deck here. Okay, let's go. First of all, let's go and cut. No, not like this. Enter. And then we cut along the deck. Like this. No, not now. I will fix it later. So select all of this. Extrude x-axis minus, okay, 2 meters. Again, extrude x minus 1 meter. Okay, it's less than 1 meter. Then scale x 0. So it's all vertical. Okay, You can find the place by approximating. Maybe we can see it from some deck plan. Okay, so we need the maybe and yes, I kind of found this place like so. Okay, maybe a little deeper here, so you can leave the thickness for the doors. Okay, now let's select these and make them sharp like so. Ctrl E, mark sharp. Huh, we have a doors almost. Save. I'm experimenting to make portholes. Yeah, I know it. You can always multiply the vertices and make them closer. It could work, yes, I know. Lately, on my aircraft project, I did this. I use a knife tool and make the something like this. And then I could maybe like so. Merge to this one. Oops. Merge to last. Like so. It could work. I know. Maybe I will do it. Maybe. But you know what? Here's the problem. We have this surface that is bended, and it should be bended equally. Okay. If we multiply, like subdivide many times, you can see this surface became flat. Yeah. So we have angle here. This is flat and this is flat. It's not actually works this way. We can try to subdivide smooth. I don't know what is it doing. I do it my way, no problem. Anyway, let's go to another door. So we have this here and this might be here. Okay. Now we need to cut for the decks. So knife parallel to the deck and interesting. so I can see the deck. Maybe like so, and then move it up a little. Okay. I don't usually do this, but no. Let's do it this way. Now, extrude x minus 1, scale x 0, and look for the plans. They actually a little tilted, like so. Let me check this one. Yeah, a little bit to this side, like this. Okay. Okay. Nope. Control E, mark sharp. Not bad, I guess. So let's do the windows. I kind of know what I can do, but okay. Thanks. Okay. I'm actually trying to avoid subdivision because it's much easier to manipulate with fewer polygons, fewer vertices. But and also subdivision surface doesn't work very well with where is it? Where is it? Subdivision doesn't work very well with triangles. You see, creates this. So no. This model is pretty low polygon, but it's very clear for now. Okay, let's move to the windows. Let's start with a cube. It's hard to see their size. Really hard to see. Okay, this one. If only I knew the exact spacing. Oh, I know. We can array along y-axis, we say about 2. Then we can try to find it. Mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. So count 9, and then just manipulate the, okay, like so. Yeah. Now, okay, apply. Round the cursor. Say it will be here, and try to smudge it down like so. Maybe we can also use this one, use proportional editing. I'd like to make it sphere. Just a little bit. Okay, this first part is ready. Second part. So, okay, I forgot to memorize the setting. Doesn't matter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Array 15. Like so. You start from the first one. Yeah, this one just apply. Let's copy this one and then apply. Okay, this one is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Array 6, 0. Paste. No. Looks like. Now we use 0. Cursor selected. Then apply. Using 3D cursor as a pivot point. Shift Ctrl Alt S. No, without proportional editing. Okay, Ctrl Shift Alt S, then Y, and we can smoosh like so. Place it here. Then proportional editing. Yeah. Nice. And now I should count windows carefully. So we have 2 and then 6. So we can delete this one. 2 and 6. Then 4 minus 1 minus 1. So we can have this one, 4, this one and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And from this side so we have 3 and 2, and this one is I don't know this word. Google help me. Russian Ukrainian. Excessive, okay. Excessive. Superflows. Redundant. No. Spare. Okay. This is a word. This window is excessive. Now join, and then select all, make them a little longer, deselect, and do the same. So boolean, move it up, difference, select these cubes, and there are windows. Not Microsoft, just Windows. And apply. We can move this to this layer. Not bad, not bad. Then edit mode, and yeah, we can see they're all selected. So I'm doing mark sharp first, and then delete faces. Okay. N-gons, triangulate everything. Yay! We have windows. I actually don't need this display. I don't need this vectors. Maybe only as a center, I don't know. So be it. Now, what about these doors? There were yes, there is windows, and windows too, and the portholes. How to make those rain covers? I will think about it. Think about, man. Think about. Yes, I should think. As always. Always think. Don't need those excessive vertices. Those are not sharp. Sorry. You are not sharp. Okay, I will fix it. Clear sharp. Okay, no problem. Then this one, clear sharp. Yeah, there was a polygon. It's 4 vertices, but it was weird. Clear sharp. Everything is fine. What happened with the sound? Ooh, the holes. Now let's make doors. Doors. But there is also windows. And this is why I keep those objects. So I'm gonna need them again. So let's move to the first layer. Let's use this one. Place it here and separate. Move this back. Okay, so this one could be a little distorted, like so. Maybe this one also, just a little bit. Now, so it goes inside. Okay, select. Now select this one, and again boolean, moving up, difference, select object, apply, and this one goes -1. Make sharp and delete faces. And also not now. I wanted to triangulate, but I need to make doors. So not now. Okay. Shift F and we can walk around inside. There must be some ladder here, maybe ladder here. Move down, move down. I'm flying, Jack. Okay. Now, escape. What else? I want to make the whole plates, those lines. But also I'd like to make maybe I think I should make decks first, so I could use them as a reference to the plates. So we hide this image and use this one. It's a huge work actually to make them. There are not so many. I can see 1, 2, 3, and they kind of match. Okay, those plates are even worse. What are this? What is this? Yeah, but they don't match the decks. Not always. Like here you can see, okay. 2 here. And I believe the deck goes here on the waterline. Let's check. So our waterline is about this level. Let's move the cursor along y-axis. Well, pretty much. So the deck is pretty much on the water level. Not now. Shift F? No, it's always work. Oh, okay. How to make... First of all, how to find them. Oh, wait. I have another plan. So we're gonna need this one open. Add image. Okay, open. Plans. This one, it doesn't show below the waterline, but could be useful. Open image. Now let's try and copy size from here, also X from here, X from here, and I don't think Y is gonna be match. Also X doesn't match. So it's like here. Why are those plants always different? Wait a second. Oh yeah, so it's different scale also. So let's hide this one. I'm trying to match the plant for my model. Let's check this one again. So okay, must matches. Kind of. Okay, let's use it. Oh yeah. Okay, windows kind of match. They're different. Also the... See how different those posts, very different, very different, but the size is close. What the hell? so windows are much smaller, but yeah, but according to photographs they are not that small. They're pretty big. Yeah, they're about half smaller than those windows. So maybe I should I did everything wrong. If you believe this plan. Those windows are lower. But they are not this small. They're actually big, pretty big. Here they are about half of the maybe bigger. Yeah, they should be smaller. Let's try to make it okay, scale about 0.7. 0.8. I agree with this. Scale 0.8. There are not so many, so I just scale them. And here is the problem. Just because I used a different image, I have this problem now. So I should use this image. It's very blurry, but it has different location of the whole ribs. Different location. And maybe then I could be more precise. Why I didn't use it? Why? It's all make sense now, because you can see those windows are right between the ribs. Everything is fine. And Maya just... Yeah, we have rib here, let's make a window. Shit. Where's the combo not being a PC game? So what to do? Remake the whole hull by this. I can discard. Oh wait, I can discard the portholes and the windows for now and use this plan, which means I have to go back before it started today. Like use this rip and move it here, use this one, move here, this one goes here, this one goes here, goes here, goes here. I have to move them down also. I hate it. I should have started with different plans. And this reminds me that I don't want any plans for Lusitania right now, because it will mean that I should rebuild the whole model. I'm absolutely sure that all that I did before is completely wrong. Completely wrong. Wait a second. And here is dilemma. So this post could be this one. Or maybe next one. Okay, what I have done already. I have done many problems. Okay, it's fine for this one. I don't know what to do here. Really, I don't. I can leave it like so. It's kind of okay. Okay-ish. Except 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 portholes. They're close, but not exactly. And also they need to be a little lower, but I should check for the plans. Like this height is a little different. The deck should be a little lower. But decks, I did decks by this plan. Okay. So I might be go this little up. Okay, let's fix it by the Windows location. And the decks. Okay, so the decks will match. No precision here. No precision. Because I already messed everything. I need some light. I want to raise this plan a little higher. Okay, save, and I don't know. Show me normals. Maybe like this. Ah. Fuck. Like so. Okay, it's kind of better. I still don't like this one. I'm trying to make all normals parallel, like so. No, like so. Okay, it's a little better. This one will be a big problem. This one's because I still need to move them a little down. This one's a kind of okay-ish. Let's try to move them like so a little bit and check. Okay, it's fine because this part is flat. It's fine. Okay. Now, how to move this one? These they are not flat. And if I move them down, like here, I'll have this problem. I need to move them along the whole. Let's see, maybe normal. Okay, let's try normals. Okay, check. Ah. Well, actually it's the same. So, okay, let's do it like so. Like so. This one will be tricky. Nah. Let's move it back a little. Local. Okay. I should have used this plan before I even start. These plans. Wait a second. They have different location of the ribs, even here. It looks fine here, but not here. Different here and close here maybe. Close here, different here. What the fuck? Okay, calm down, calm down. nothing serious happen. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna stop the stream for now. I will try to manage these plans. And then I will think maybe I will redo the hole a little to match all the ribs, and then it will be much easier to make windows, portholes and everything else. It will be much easier, because right now I'm doing it only worse. So okay, maybe save. I can always return to my previous by using Dropbox and look for the, say, about yesterday's. Okay, so okay, never mind. Thanks for watching. I will try to manage it somewhere, sometime later.